Hi everyone, welcome back. So guys, in this particular video, we'll be discussing about tuple comprehension. So I think you have already learned about list comprehension inside Python, like how we can perform this particular list comprehension and what is the advantage to use this particular list comprehension. I think you already know. So let's try to discuss this particular tuples comprehension in this particular video. See guys, officially there is no tuple comprehension inside Python. You can see you might have read about list comprehension in Python. However, there is no tuple comprehension inside Python. But here actually what you can do, you can emulate. Okay, you can emulate this particular tuple comprehension inside Python. Officially, there is no tuple comprehension concept, but you can emulate. Okay, you can emulate that particular concept. Okay, so let me give you the same example. Let's say, I think you remember we have done one list comprehension example. I think you saw we solve different problem statement. Okay, and here we learn like how to perform this particular list comprehension, right? So I'll take the same example and I will show you how we can emulate this particular tuple comprehension here. All right, now you can see the first example. So there actually I was adding actually 1 to 10 numbers in a list. I think you remember this particular problem statement. If you haven't watched that particular video, so please try to go ahead and watch that particular video first. Then you'll be able to understand, okay, what is happening. Now you can see the same code actually I have written with the help of tuple comprehension. See, instead of list, actually what I've taken a tuple comprehension. Now you can ask me why I have taken actually 2 times tuple, because you can see inside this particular tuple function, I'm having another tuple actually object. Okay, here also I'm taking this particular parenthesis. Why? Okay, why I'm taking this particular, let's say, like extra tuple. So let me show you. So let's say if I'm not taking this particular extra tuple, what will happen? So let me first of all discuss. I'll copy this particular, let's say, tuple comprehension. And if I just execute it here, see, if I just execute it here. So here, if you see that if I'm executing this particular code, I'm getting this particular generator object. Fine. But previously, whenever I was using, let's say, list comprehension, after executing it, I was getting the numbers. Okay, that means I was getting the outputs. But in but in tuple comprehension, actually directly you won't be getting. So for this, what do you have to do? Again, you have to apply tuple on top of it. So for this, what you have to do, you have to again convert it to the tuples. Okay, tuple type object. So now if I give the tuple here, now if I execute this particular program, you will see that I'll be getting the output right now. So this is the only thing you have to do, and this is called actually emulate. Okay, emulate tuple comprehension. We can't directly perform, but we can emulate it. Now you can see all the example I did in the list comprehension, everything I just converted to tuple comprehension. Only the difference you can see, I have changed this particular bracket. Okay, I have changed this particular bracket, and outside I have taken a tuple function. That is the idea. Now you'll see that the same output. The square operation I did, you can see. The same thing, only the tuple is there. So basically you just need to check that particular video, list comprehension video. You'll be able to understand, okay, what is happening here. Now let me show you some of the examples. See, this is also tuple comprehension. Inside that we are performing the same thing. Fine. Now you can see the same example. So that's how actually we can do this particular tuple comprehension. I hope you got it. So directly it's not actually there inside Python, but we can do the emulate operation. Okay, emulate tuple comprehension inside Python. So people usually get confused whether there is a tuple comprehension concept or not inside Python. If you ask me, I'll tell yes, there is there. You can emulate that, but officially there is no tuple comprehension inside actually Python. We have, let's say, list comprehension, dictionary comprehension, and sets comprehension. These are the thing we are having, and tuple comprehension we can perform emulate operation. Okay, that is the idea. So yes, this is all about from this particular video. I hope you got it. Thanks for watching, guys.